So this property is 7,000 square meters. So napakalaki ng lot area nito. It consists of 4 buildings. So ito nga yung building number 1. Then building number 2 will be right here. 3, then 4 dito. So for building number 1, next year na yung turnover niya. While for number 2, that's 2026. Building number 3 is 2027. While building number 4 will be 2028 yung turnover. Extinguisher, alarm system, water sprinkler for security purposes. And so upon entering, this will be your kitchen countertop. So pwede nga din ilagay yung washing machine nyo dyan. We have overhead shelves. Then adjacent to that is your toilet and bath. Yeah. So napaka-spacious din ang toilet and bath natin. Then dito, pwede tayo maglagay ng ating living area and dining area natin. Then, ito yung bedroom natin. So, we can put a partition dito kung gusto nyo may pintuan to convert it into one bedroom. Then, kagandahan sa kanya, meron itong access into balcony, which is nasa 2 square meters yung balcony natin. Kagandahan dito guys, napakataas na kanilang ceiling at 3.5 meters. So, pwede talaga kayo dito mag-loft type.